Do burpees for 30 days and this is what happens to your body. If there's one thing veteran athletes, football players, and elite military forces have in common, it's the fact that they have burpees in their regular workout routines. Lots and lots of burpees. But of course, burpees aren't just advantageous for those certain groups. Rest assured, they're for everyone. Burpees are a phenomenal exercise, no doubt. In fact, it's possibly the #1 bodyweight exercise there is, as it engages a multitude of muscles on top of getting the heart pumping hard and fast. Aside from helping you condition your body, doing burpees for 30 days remarkably helps you burn calories and many other benefits, which we will be discussing further in a while. So make sure to stick around till the end. Number 1. Burpees make you stronger. As a full-body strength training exercise, burpees are the classic example of functional fitness. With every rep you perform, you will be working your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. Even after just a couple of sets, your legs will already feel like lead. After all, there's a reason why elite athletes and military people use them to train. Number 2. Burpees burn calories. Burpees are probably one of the most powerful fat-burning exercises. Every time you perform, it's like turning your body into a fat-burning machine. The reason is simple: burpees are an intense full-body exercise. What's more, research has revealed that burpees and other high-intensity exercises burn up to 50% more fat instead of moderate exercises. On top of that, it speeds up your metabolism, which boosts the number of calories you burn all day long. Number 3. Burpees improve your running. Do you run as well? If so, then doing burpees for 30 days could improve your running. Your lungs will soon feel clearer, allowing you to coast through miles. You will also find yourself running longer than usual. Plus, your stride will feel stronger and your breathing will be more even and relaxed. Number 4. Burpees condition your body. Ever wondered why burpees are included in the hardest of workouts such as CrossFit? It's because they're outstanding for nurturing endurance and conditioning. Furthermore, they get your heart rate up and fast and target every muscle in your body. Simply put, it's a perfect exercise to quickly get in shape, whether your goal is to hike a huge mountain, learn an intense sport, train for a triathlon, or even just to look good. Number 5. Burpees increase your energy reserve. Some days we feel like a total zombie, but by performing burpees for a month is considered extreme exertion, which then releases endorphins. Consequently, it gives us the boost we need to get through our day. As a matter of fact, endorphins that stay in our system leave us feeling good even hours post-workout. Don't worry, they will get easier in time. Now that you've learned what burpees do to the body, are you motivated yet to include them in your daily routine? Comment your thoughts below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.